This is the Honeywell H450EN Carbon Monoxide Detector. As you've just heard there, once the batteries get exhausted in it, it has a really annoying, really loud chirp. Obviously that's to warn you that the unit needs replacing. However, you still have that chirp, and there's no easy way and there's no instructions in the manual about how to disable the chirp so that the unit actually goes quiet so you can dispose of it. So what you need to do is turn it over and then peel off the label at the back. It's a plastic label, so it actually peels off quite easily. And from there you'll see up here there's a little button that says on. Okay, you can see from here that it says on. So we now just need to slide that over. So I'll do that on the table. Okay, to turn it off you just need a normal terminal screwdriver. Put it in at the far side and push that switch back over. It's fairly tight, but once it's over you'll see that it says off and the alarm sounding. As I turn it over now, the unit is completely dead, so we can dispose of that. And don't forget, of course, to buy a new one, because an alarm without batteries in is no alarm at all. Thank you for watching, and as usual, like and subscribe.